Okay, I did it again. I shouldn't have, but I did. This is another unnamed fish. He's a double-tail betta this time, and he's blue and black. He is pretty. Let's see. Now I gotta name this guy.